Hello and welcome back to ECF Composites. In this video we're going to show you how to make rare and discontinued classic car badges from resin. Here we have some original badges we borrowed to make our resin casts from. First, we mount the badges onto a melamine board and drill holes so we can lay the badges flat without the pins getting in the way. Plasticine is used to plug the holes and embed the badges in place. Excess plasticine is removed, leaving a small amount to seal the underside of the badges to stop any of our silicone bleeding under them. Then box off the badges with a wall of melamine board and also seal the corners of the box with more plasticine. The required amount of silicone and curing agent is measured out and mixed thoroughly, ensuring the curing agent is well worked in. We are using Addition Cure silicone for this. The silicone is then degassed in a degassing chamber to remove all the air. This will help reduce defects caused by trapped air in our mould. When pouring the silicone, try to pour it out with a thin flow, especially over the detailed areas, to help prevent trapped air in any corners. Once the silicone has been poured, we leave to cure overnight. Then remove the melamine former and remove the badges. You may find that paint from the original parts may come off into the mould, but this will simply come away on our first cast and leave the mould nice and clean. We then mixed casting resin and metal powders at a 1:1 by volume ratio. And after mixing the powder and resin, we then added catalyst and mixed thoroughly before pouring into the mould. It's also a good idea to degas the resin slightly whilst in the mould before pouring to reduce bubbles, although depending on the shape and detail it isn't always necessary. Once our casts have cured, in this case overnight, we can remove them from the mould. For our cast we used brass powder and also made some with aluminium powder. Next we can paint in the black, either using black pigmented resin or you could also use enamel paint. Then when hardened we take a sharp blade such as a Stanley knife and scrape away any excess paint or resin. Then, using wire wool, we buff the casts to reveal the metal cast finish. To improve the finish, you can also polish and spray with a clear UV-resistant lacquer to stop the metal from oxidizing. Now that our casts are done, we can bond them to the car either with a strong adhesive or a strong acrylic fixing tape. As usual, all the materials shown in today's video can be found on our website at ecfiberglass.co.uk or just search for East Coast Fiberglass. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.